receive our chief guest.
Ababani bahendera mishomo yaba Valley University of Technology erikishangwa muri Bushenyi district kandi gwabaguriye umurundo gwabo gwa mukaga.
The president has already directed us that we establish a graduates fund so that if there is any graduate who has spent 2 years without getting a job, they should be able to gain or to access very affordable capital for their startups so that you can be job creators rather than job seekers.
Right Honorable Thomas Sayebwa yagaragaye Muzee William Mukira ahubwo kubayambaho nkihanga na ministry y'ebyobwegese omukwisi y'ebyobwegese ombanya Uganda ngo hakuba ne babitanguhi arengo rwa university.
Mukira, I want to really thank you and I want to tell you that you are a hero, not only for Greater Bushenyi but the whole country. You will not tell mwebare kuteka Bushenyi amaka, mwebare munonga kandi mwebare kutambira Uganda mushomesa abana bita twabona nk'abandi kwebaza mwena barya imabire kushoma n'abazire banyu kunogera ngo ingwe tumuro nakayona kwetaro mwebare kutukunda.
Bashima Enos Vice Chancellor yasima mukuru w'ihanga hamwe n'ekitongole kiri kure by'obwegese abo kwakwatiraho mukubahereza chapter ebayambira okushomesa abeegi baza degree PhD masters na n'ezindi kandi chapter bakagitunga ebiro 3 okwezi kwa mushanju 2025.
The President of the Republic of Uganda, for good national leadership, providing an enabling environment, in particular for the education sector, and specifically for granting University of Science and Technology in charter.
Abeja bahize mishomo yabo nabo bashabwa kubera university eje cyo kureberaho hamwe no kukozesa obukumo batungire omukwebisaho na no mukwangaho emirimo ahabwabo.
Living a safe place, you are entering the world to be innovators, problem solvers, and leaders that Uganda needs. As you leave our guests, carry the spirit of Valley University always innovative, resilient, and rooted in community.
Abeja baheze mishomo yaba butwagambaho nabo basima ruhanga bo kubabasha kabisi arengoro bayikaho ngwa kuba mukutandika bikaba bitanguhi.
Ndi nsima ruhanga bo kushanga yampisa izoberi kikijanga kiteka teko nashoma ndiyo mushomesa kandi nashoma ahamyaka ya bukuru kwa pagoredinga mishomo yanje onkeri izoba nishemererwa okujwara ibara yo kubanza
tandika Valley University ndukuteka mutinka basa konka kama tuzahabhanguzi ahabwa Valley University okutwatiraho okutukumira omumbera zone mwenu ninsima ruhanga mnonga.
Honorable Thomas Sayebwa yahinderana higabanya Uganda kugenda kutera President Museveni Karuru hamwe n'abakwatire NRM bendera bona abo businje na nebintu ebirungi ebyakorera ihanga.
So obusinje obu government ejeresire nibwo bubasize kushanga ngunka Valley University ebyaha kandi nigo buryaha kutine kwerabikira kwena. So nimbashaba ngo 2015 tugenda mushika w'ekikofira
amukoro go kujweka abeji ba Valley University habaho no kuronda Chancellor wa University omusia Professor William Bazeyo wanyuma y'obwire ari Chancellor wa University Professor Musinguzi James Garuga okurugoma garagenseji. Makuru agasha kwa Olivia Nasasira omuri Bushenyi.